In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Nasdaq on FTMO. By the end, you'll know what the Nasdaq instrument looks like on an FTMO account, where to find it in your platform, and exactly how to place your first trade with confidence. First, make sure your FTMO account supports indices. FTMO allows you to trade anything that appears in your platform's symbol list, and that includes stock index CFDs, like the Nasdaq 100. If you can see it in the list, you can trade it, just like you would Forex or crypto. The Nasdaq is usually labeled US 100 or NAS 100, depending on the platform and server. Next, log in to your preferred trading platform. FTMO supports MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, CTrader, and DXTrade. Many index traders prefer MT5 because it commonly offers more symbols and deeper charting tools, but use what you're comfortable with. After logging in, give your platform a moment to load market data fully. Now, let's find the Nasdaq symbol. In MT5, open MarketWatch by pressing Ctrl+M or by choosing it from the View menu. Inside MarketWatch, right-click anywhere and choose Symbols. In the list that opens, look for an index named something like US 100 or US 100.sim. The exact suffix can vary, but US 100 or NAS 100 is the typical designation for the Nasdaq 100 Index CFD. Select it and click Show to add it to your MarketWatch so it's easy to access. If you don't see it right away, expand the indices category or use the search box if your platform offers one. With the symbol visible, open a chart. Right-click on US 100 in MarketWatch and choose Chart Window. You'll now see live price movement, just like you do with currency pairs. At this point, you can add your preferred time frame, indicators, and drawing tools to prepare your analysis. When you're ready to trade, use Market Execution for the fastest entry. Click New Order or press F9 in MT5. Confirm the symbol is set to US 100, then choose your volume, which is your lot size. Set a stop loss to protect your downside and a take profit to lock in gains. Both are optional, but highly recommended because indices can move quickly. Click Buy if you expect the Nasdaq to rise, or Sell if you expect it to fall. The order will execute at the current market price, and you'll see it appear in your terminal. Finally, if you're new to indices or to the Nasdaq specifically, practice first. Start on an FTMO free trial or demo account to get familiar with the instrument's volatility, spreads, and session behavior. This helps you refine your approach before you risk real capital.